Hey everybody, Crazy Grandma here. I have another organizing hack. That was easy to say. I have another organizing thing that I came up with that I thought I would share. But first of all, look at this shirt. I make iron-on shirts for my grandbabies and my kids. My birthday was recently, and they actually went and got markers and wrote on a t-shirt of theirs and signed it, decorated it all up and everything else. Isn't that the cutest thing? So it's hanging on my wall now and it always makes me happy. So anyway, I went to the Dollar Tree and they have, everything's $1.25 there. And I found some more of these containers. And what I've done is put my die cuts in them. Some of them doesn't fit, so I do have the bigger ones, but I don't use them as often. But I put my basic shapes in here. So I have my squares, I have octagons in this one, and I do have need to order some more of the magnetic things. I have stars in this one. This is just a multiple too. I had when I was doing cards, these all came with different cards, so I have them all in here. They don't get bent. They're $1.25 a piece. They're stackable. I have circles in this one. I have some more circles in this one, but these are all like nested type circles that they fit nicely in there. This one has all of my tabs in here, and then my that little one. I don't remember what it's called today. Me and my brain struggle. And then I have hearts in this one. So these are just my basic shape die cuts, and it's right above my die cutting machine. So it's easy to get to. I hope this helps you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye everybody.